Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on show your data here. And as you can see, right in the middle, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And you can check that I've spent 7 minutes on the settings mostly. What's more, we've got the unlocks and notifications count. And in order to check more details, we've got actually 2 different ways. So we can tap right in the middle of this graph in order to show the graph again. Connected to the whole screen, or we can tap on particular app. So after tapping right in the middle, you can see that here we've got weekly graphs and for how long I've been using this device every day. What's more, under it you've got listed all apps which I've been using, and you can tap on the particular app, and thanks to this you will be able to check the graphs connected directly to it. Under it we've got some ways to disconnect. So we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode, which are quite cool options because if you need the time for yourself, you need to study, work, or just to rest. Then you can set the particular mode, for example focus mode, and after tapping on it you will be able to set a schedule. You will be able to pick the apps which are most distracting for you, and after setting the schedule your device will simply limit the notifications from them, so you won't be disturbed. And under it we've got the reduce interruptions section, so we can manage notifications or do not disturb mode, and if you'd like to enter the parental controls, here you can do it. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.